Happy Saturday vlog. It is, what's today? It's Saturday, July 10th, and I'm gonna do a little week in my life. Going to the gym to hit some arms and walk a little bit and hit some abs. I'm gonna show you guys my arm and ab routine because I always go to Orange Theory on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and you guys are always like, what's your other workout routine? So I'm gonna show you guys today. So let's go to the gym. So I'm on the tread right now and I walk till a mile on speed of 3, and then I do it for a mile, which is like 20 minutes. And I do like an incline of like 6, and then every 2 minutes, like I work it up at full incline. That is my shoulder, arm, and ab and stretch routine that I do. I'm dead. I burned 418 calories on my walk, and then on that, and then on stretching whatever abs. And I worked out for 52 minutes. Ooh, love that. When I was doing my abs, I literally felt like this part of my ab, like, I felt like it broke like right here. It was hurting so bad. And that was my sign to stop and be done. All right guys, we're making some Sunday brunch. We got some spinach, goat cheese, just egg, because we don't eat eggs, we eat plants. With like, there's like onions underneath here and like tomatoes. And then we're about to brew juice. Juice some fresh orange juice. The only oranges I like to use for like fresh orange juice are these Valencia oranges. They're the absolute best. And we are gonna do some gluten-free pancakes as well. So enjoy. What? Oh yeah, we're doing it in a little Takashi Murakami like little flour pancake thing from StockX. And then obviously we got some tater tots that are gonna go in the air fryer. So we're about to feast on this beautiful Sunday. Woohoo! It's gonna be so good. So to get the most out of it, you want to push right down and now circle your hand so it gets all the sides. It's easy, and there's gonna be nothing left in there once you're done. Look at her garnishing. Guys, they turned out kind of cute. Definitely not as advertised, but this looks like a very hearty, healthy brunch. Yeah. And then, obviously, look at him pouring that fresh orange juice. So yummy. Got all fixins. It's gonna be so good. IHOP and Waffle House could never. Hey vlog. So we're super stuffed after that meal. It was so good. So Bethany's dying from it. I'm so full. So we started the show, The Assassination of Gianni Versace, and we are on episode 4, season 1. And it's so good so far, so I highly recommend you to watch this. It's great. So we're just gonna vibe out for a little while, and take advantage of this beautiful Sunday to just rest and watch this show. So yeah. It's the next day, and boy oh boy do we have some packing to do and cleaning. I have to film an apartment tour today, and I cannot film it looking like this. So we've got a lot to clean around here and to pick up, and I gotta clean the whole apartment because I want it to look A1 for you guys. And then I have to pack because I'm leaving tomorrow. Right now, tomorrow I'll be driving on the way to Santa Rosa to see my parents for the week. I'm surprising my dad for his birthday, and my cousin's going with me, so she will be here in a few hours so she can spend the night. But let's clean. I hope that this puts you guys in a cleaning mood too. Let's get productive, let's clean together, and let's get this show on the road. got a good amount done, but now I have to go to a foot doctor appointment and pick up my car because my car battery died, so I had to go get a new battery. So yeah, I still have a lot to do, but I got a good amount of stuff off the floor and I was able to organize a lot of stuff out there in my closet.
Later.
This is gross. And by that, I mean my feet. Ew, it looks so scary. Hey vlog, so I think I'm actually gonna film my apartment tour when I get back from vacation because there's just way too much to do to be able to get it ready, and I want it to be perfect. And we actually still have one more thing coming in our coffee table, so I'm gonna wait. But I got my feet wrapped. Woo! That's what they look like. That's so weird, but it's like wrapped. I already feel a little bit better, but I'm still gonna clean because I don't like coming home to like a dirty space after I get back from like vacation or like a trip. So we still got a lot to do, and I have a lot of homework to do as well, and we have to pack still.
You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
Okay, now I'm getting a car wash because I've been so productive today with cleaning. I thought, why not just top it off with a car wash, especially since I'm traveling tomorrow. My car just needs to be fully clean and just vibey, full on vibes.
Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear that you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life?
Okay, just a little bit, but it looks good. Nice and ready for the road trip tomorrow with Beth. She also did hers, even though there was no need because we're taking my car. She still wanted it done by the time she got back. She had a clean car, but that is about it for now.
2 hours later.
Happy Tuesday the 13th. I'm packing for my parents' house. I leave in like 2 hours, so I'm just packing like a lot of like biker shorts and like workout tanks because like we're just gonna go on walks every day as like our workout. And then obviously tons of bathing suits, a few slip dresses, some jeans and crops, and like t-shirts.
Not a sound sneaking out through your window into the night where we were meant to be. Skipping town, searching for nowhere